when you get adjusted and get clear, we take away the question mark from got life and we put a freaking exclamation point, because now you got life. Now your power is coming from within. That system that God put in your body, your central nervous system, governs and controls every system of your body. Cardiovascular, digestive, endocrine, everything in your body is controlled by the central nervous system. So doesn't it make sense, my friends, to take care of the nervous system and make sure it's functioning properly?